We just got a call. We got to go pick up a very important person. Do a little work for him. So Doc was on his way with a neat little car he's got. We're gonna do some work on it for him. And I think he ran out of gas. We're gonna got a jug in the back. Yeah, if we have to, we'll get Tommy's trailer, but I don't think it's too far away. Well, I think we found him. Not a moment too soon. So.
Not a moment too soon. Hey, there's Tommy.
Might be done got Doc and left with him. We got her topped off. That's a Department of Defense car, buddy. Oh, you like, yeah.
15 minutes later.
Well, it wasn't out of gas. It had lost fire. I believe the coil's gone bad. So we've got Tom's trailer in tow.
Hey, there's Tommy.
Headed back to pick it up. Yeah, we meant to drive by and pull in front. I don't know, we might make that turn. Not with the traffic. Maybe I can swing far right. And she's loaded. Let's get her back to Red Banks. We made her back.
Barely.
All right, Doc just left. Look at the inventory he left us with. He's got everything. You name it, he's already bought it. It's a cool car. She's got some rust, needs addressing. So she's gonna need some pan work. But the engine is brand new in her. It's already been gone through. The brakes have been done. This will be fun. This is gonna be a ball. We got, she's in good company. Herbie's sitting right there. I believe it said, what, the 78? He's got new bumpers. All right, here's the idea. We strip her down, fix the rust. He's got a blue color in mind. Looks really good. Blue, white interior. But I'm thinking maybe we talk him into blue and white plaid interior. I think it'd look killer. She's got a few whiskey dents. We'll rub on those. Good stuff. Doc, if you're watching, thank you, brother.